Hello kids! Today let's learn to write alphabets from A to Z. A for avocado. Avocado. B for banana. Banana. C for cabbage. Cabbage. D for drumstick. Drumstick. E for eggplant. Eggplant. F for fish. Fish. G for grapes. Grapes. H for honeydew. Honeydew. I for iguana. Iguana. J for jellyfish. Jellyfish. K for kitten. Kitten. L for llama. Llama. M for monkey. Monkey. N for necklace. Necklace. O for ostrich. Ostrich. P for parrot. Parrot. Q for queen. Queen. R for rabbit. Rabbit. S for strawberry. Strawberry. T for tamarind. Tamarind. U for umbrella. Umbrella. V for vulture. Vulture. W for watch. Watch. X for box. Box. Y for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Z for zipper. Zipper. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in next video. Bye bye.